Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup taste better. We'll start by focusing on the foundational elements that elevate any soup from good to great. Using fresh, high-quality ingredients is paramount, as is properly sautéing your aromatics. This crucial step builds a deep flavor base. Also, selecting a rich, homemade or low-sodium broth gives you much more control over the final taste profile. Next, let's talk about deepening those flavors. Roasting vegetables before adding them to your soup concentrates their natural sugars, adding a wonderful sweetness. Don't forget to deglaze your pot with about a half cup of wine or broth. Those brown bits at the bottom are pure flavor gold. And for an extra layer of savory goodness, consider adding umami-rich ingredients like dried mushrooms or a Parmesan rind. Now for the art of perfecting your seasoning. It's vital to season gradually throughout the cooking process, not just at the very end. This allows flavors to meld beautifully. A small splash of acid, perhaps 1 or 2 teaspoons of lemon juice or vinegar, can brighten the entire dish. Finally, a generous handful of fresh herbs or a swirl of good quality olive oil right before serving adds a vibrant, fresh finish. Finally, let's address some common pitfalls to avoid. Overcooking your vegetables is a frequent mistake, leading to a mushy texture and dull flavor. Also, be mindful not to overcrowd your pot. This inhibits proper browning and flavor development. The most important tip is to taste and adjust your seasonings frequently. This ensures your soup is perfectly balanced and delicious every single time you make it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.